Okay. Um, we are in Adibo, in the Yendi municipality of the northern region. I'm Adibo, Akunye Dagbani, Adibo. Me the history in Adibo. So la history market the Tracy. How the Gumbes and the Germans fought a war in this particular community. We have already visited the site where the chief warrior of the Dagombes climbed a tree with his horse, and then the resting place of the warrior who was killed in the war, Kamwana James Zublam. But again, we have discovered something very right. This tree, this fruit that we have discovered, it looks like the eggs of a bird. I mean a dove, but it is a fruit, a very beautiful one. And then the community people call it momwale, and this is very rare. Even in this community, so far we have only found one. The community people are the community people say that there are about 2 or 4 of them, but in this particular vicinity, you can only find this one. And then the taste, it is very beautiful. It has some excellent taste. If you are if you have eaten sensaba before, this thing tastes like
sensaba is like grapes.
And this thing tastes like sensaba. I don't know what else I can call this, but the tree looks to me like fig tree. If you know fig tree, I'm not sure it goes here, but this is the tree, and this thing is very beautiful. I was afraid at first to take it, but after my foolish Sadiq friend took some, and then some of the community members also took some, I can now take.
I take high risk.
I have taken several of them. It is safe. Actually, make them see the thing for the
so
ground.
as you can see, it's on the ground.
We have only harvested as much as we can. We have left the other one. Well, next time you are also visiting this community, don't only come here because of the you want to see the remnants, the remains of the leftover of what the encounter of the Gombes with the Germans, and do not also listen to anybody who said that there is a particular tribe in Ghana that conquered the Gombes. It has never happened, at least as history should say.
The only people who have conquered the Gomba were the Germans.
The Germans, and they didn't also find it easy. We can tell you that from our journey here. Of course, we are doing this for the Wiki Love Folklore team, and then we are more like an advanced team. Very soon we will be coming out with something called the Wiki Love Monument, and this is where we'll be coming out. We'll be visiting historic sites like we have come to see. So we have come to see, and then we will see how we can prepare our team to come here. But again, until we are able to come your way with another video, let me be able to have some quite romantic time with my newfound love. Very beautiful Momoale tree. I'm not too sure. 90% of the Bombers have not seen this thing before.
I'm even thinking maybe the Germans brought it, because I've never seen this
thing.
thing.
Was saying that probably the Germans brought this tree and planted it.
Or they ate the fruit and mistakenly this one germinated and grew up to this. Whichever way it is, we are really excited that
it is so succulent.
We have discovered something new.
And it is so succulent like the breast of a woman.
Like you said, those who think that the Gombes or some tribes have ever conquered the Gombes, we just went to the Yendi German cemetery. You can see all the people who were killed by the Gombes in that particular battle. So
I can tell you that.
Let me show you the other side of Adibo. So you've heard so much about Adibo, the Battle of Adibo. This is Adibo. As you can see, a very quiet town with a lot of short trees. You can see so many shade trees around here, and there are some few mountains, or do I call them hills, around valleys. Very nice place. So if you are looking for a tourist destination in the north, think about Adibo Dalla or the Battle of Adibo. This is the ground. We've seen the chief warrior's grave, We've also been to the tree. It's a baobab tree, very old. That was
the
in
name
the
of the fruit. Momoale.
Momoale. So the name of this fruit is Momoale.
Wow.
If you
Very
know,
beautiful one.
if you have heard the name somewhere, or if you know anything about it, post the videos, please.
Those of you watching us from Dagbani, if you want us to bring you some, send us Momo.
Okay. So until next time, see you again. Bye.